Hi YouTubers, this is Ken from so cool. I have a friend, and it's my dad's birthday, and I forgot what his YouTube channel is.
It's not his dad's birthday. It's
My dad's birthday. And do the thing.
I'm gonna do the AB, the alphabet.